Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sketch plugins. First, understand that plugins extend Sketch's functionality, adding powerful new features to your design workflow. These tools can significantly speed up your process, from automating repetitive tasks to integrating with other services. We'll cover where to find them, how to install them, and how to manage them effectively within Sketch. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your design toolkit. Finding the right plugins starts with knowing where to look. The official Sketch website provides a great starting point, featuring a curated collection of high-quality plugins. Beyond that, vibrant community sites and platforms like GitHub host a vast array of tools developed by designers for designers. You can often filter by category or search for specific features, making it easy to discover exactly what you need to boost your productivity and creativity. Installing Sketch plugins is usually a straightforward process. For most modern plugins, you simply download the Sketch plugin file and double-click it. Sketch handles the rest. If you encounter a plugin that requires manual installation, you'll typically drag the file into Sketch's dedicated plugins folder. Always confirm the installation by checking the plugins menu within Sketch to ensure your new tool is ready to use. It often takes less than 1 minute to get a new plugin up and running. Once installed, managing and using your plugins is simple. All your plugins are accessible directly from the plugins menu in Sketch. Here, you can also find the Manage Plugins option, which lets you enable, disable, or even remove plugins you no longer need. For your most used tools, consider assigning custom keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow even further. Remember to regularly check for updates to ensure your plugins remain compatible and perform at their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.